My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-ups that are related to the site Numberpies.icu. Numberpies.icu is a dangerous and truly deceptive site that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. Numberpies.icu tries to make people download and install some malicious software. Very often these pop-ups by Numberpies.icu are integrated with some file download services, and obviously these pop-ups are malicious because instead of the requested file that some users expect to download, they actually may download some other totally different files that even might contain malware. So we recommend you to treat these pop-ups with extreme caution. Don't trust these deceptive pop-ups and just leave this page. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.